Hola mis amigos and welcome back to my canal. So today I'm going to be doing this eye look. It's very simple, very easy to do. I wanted something that I could wear like a dark brown color, not like red, not like a pink. I wanted like a dark chocolate brown. So I was like, I need to make an eye look that kind of matches that. So yeah, I went by the color that I wanted on my lips, what I wanted on my eyes. So yeah guys, look at this. And hey guys, welcome for those, new subbies that I have. Thank y'all so much for just following me and for subscribing to my channel. My name is Veronica. And if y'all want to see this video and see how I did this look, well, let's go ahead and keep on watching, guys. Okay, guys, so we're going to go ahead and start. I went ahead and did my eyebrows and, of course, this eye, so that way y'all can see how it's kind of going to look. And we're going to go ahead and start. So, using the Morphe, and this is the 350. And on these colors, I am going to go in with this one right here for the transition color. So I'm going to use this little fluffy Wet n Wild brush. You can see it's kind of dirty because I have already used it. But what I'm going to do is, since I already, did my eyebrows and also, primed right here, I'm going to go ahead and start. And this I am just going to use it on the outer, like a lot on the outer part of the eyelid, and then I'm gonna go in because I really want a lot more of it on this outer part. So just gonna go in and just kind of blend just like that. Next I am gonna go in with this one right here, which is, I don't know how it kind of looks on there, but it is very orange looking, and we'll do that one. Same thing with the tapered brush. Gonna do the same spots. Okay guys, then after we've done this and just kind of blend it out like that, see, because I kind of go out and then blend. I'm going to go back in with this palette and I'm going to go in with this darker brown right here. And on this one, I am going to use a different brush, which I'm going to go into my Lexi 231 brush. It's just a smaller tapered brush. And I'm going to dip into that color and go on the outer part of my eyelid. So this, I am bringing it a little bit more in. And then just blending around. And then what I'm doing is, since I'm going out here and just kind of blending it, I go a little bit in, not a lot because I really don't want a lot of that product in here, just trying to blend it. And to help you blend, you can just grab one of the taper brushes that you already used to do the transition color, Lord almighty, and kind of just go on top of it and blend it all together. I mean, of course you're not using product on it, so it's already what you have. And just like that. I know it doesn't look the same, but it will, because we will add the black in just a little bit. Next, I am going to go in with this shimmer. Oh, Lord. Okay, next I'm going to go in with one of these shimmers, which I bought on Amazon, and y'all know how I feel about Amazon. Love it. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get one of these brushes. And this one is the You Spicy, and I got it on Amazon. Like y'all want to know that. And gonna spray it. So I'm gonna grab it with my Catrice, makeup setting spray, which I use it like for my face, for wetting a brush, anything. I am gonna dip into this loose, powder, and just gonna, oh, Lord almighty. Okay. So this is kind of how the brush looks. Let me move my hair back. And the only thing I'm going to do is just pat it. Like, look at that. That is crazy. And just pat it over my eyelid. And just like that. So right here, I kind of go not even halfway. I go a little bit over the halfway mark, just like that. Then, oh, I am gonna grab the same, oh, can't find it, hold up. Okay, so the same Lexi brush, I'm gonna use a Too Faced Stardust powder. And on this one, I'm so sorry, my palette is like so freaking dirty. But yeah, ta-da. But I am gonna go into this one right here, Sin City, and it's like a dark black. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply it to the outer part and all the way in, right here. Because I'm really trying to darken that part. Okay, so after you're done with that black, I'm gonna go back in with my taper brush, and this is just to kind of clean everything and blend it. This just helps out. Okay, next we're gonna go in with my Heavy Metal Urban Decay in Midnight Cowboy. And ooh, let me fix that. Ooh, okay. Sorry. So anyways, this looks like this little brush. And I'm not adding glitter. I mean, it is glitter, okay, but it's not like powdered glitter to make it a lot, because I just kind of wanted a little bit of that look, you know? So, I mean, it's still shimmery, but I want it to shine even more. So we'll just like do like strokes like this. Dip it one more time and just like whatever you get on there. It's not even like it's perfect. Just like apply it. Just like that. Just to make it a little shiny. A little more shiny. Okay, so then after that, we are gonna go in with the Rimmel liquid liner, and on this, I'm not gonna do wing liner because I'm using a little bit more less of a look on the lashes. I just kind of want it, I don't want it drastic. I don't know, I don't want it too drastic, honestly, for this one. So, I'm just gonna apply. Sorry, I can't talk and do it at the same time. Just a line, just like that. Okay, so after you do your line, we will add the eyelash. The Eyelure number 126, and these are like very nice, but yet they're not as much as drastic, dramatic lashes, so I love these. Okay guys, so these are the eyelashes, and we'll just apply. Okay. Okay guys, so the lashes are on. Now, I am gonna go ahead and do my face, and I'll be right back so we can go ahead and finish the under eye. Okay guys, so after I've done my face, I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go in with this one again, right here, this bright orange, and I'm gonna go in with this little, almost flat, but a little bit more fuller brush, and apply right here. Right there, see? Then I'm gonna go in with this brown, the same brown that we already used, and apply it right here. Just like that. See, and what I like about this brush is because it's still thin to get right here, but yet it still kind of buffs it out. So it's not just like a harsh line. So, yeah, just like that. Okay, now just for the lips, I'm gonna go ahead with ColourPop. This was in Limbo. Okay guys, and this is the final look right here. Hopefully you all liked it. Hopefully it was something simple, something easy for y'all to do. I feel like it was something very fast. Really simple techniques, just something fast y'all can do for Valentine's if you want to look good on your date and just feel amazing. I mean, yeah, it doesn't even have to be a day for Valentine's, you know? It doesn't have to be a Valentine's Day look. You can wear it out for a night out, you know, with your friends, with your boo thing. You know, something just fun and you want to look sexy, pretty, dark lips, rock it, girl. Boy, rock it. So, yeah, guys, hopefully you all liked this video. If you did, please thumbs up. If you didn't, I'm sorry. But if you did, guys, and you're not subscribed, go ahead, please subscribe to my channel. So that way y'all can be notified of just next videos that I'll be doing and posting. Because, yeah, so many more ideas and so many more things to do. So, yeah, guys, thank y'all so much for everything. Hopefully you all have a good one. You all be good. You all take care. Mwah. Besos, mi amigos. Adios.